Welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to style your hair quickly, then you need to keep on watching this video. I'm going to be using my spray bottle filled with water just to give my hair a little bit of moist to remove dryness. I'm just going to spray all over my hair, every part of my hair, so that it's easy for me to comb. And I'm going to be using my wide tooth comb, basically to comb and straighten out my hair, to avoid every shrinkage, because shrinkage will not help with this type of hairstyle. Then I'm going to go in with my Afrobynature leave-in conditioner to help feed my hair with nutrients and moist. I'm going to massage the leave-in conditioner into my scalp and my hair very well, every part of my hair, so that my hair is soft and easy to comb for this hairstyle that I want to do. Then I'm going to go in with my thread. I prefer to use thread to tie my hair because my hair is really full, and most times my hand can't carry everything by itself, so I prefer to use a long, thick thread. I'm just going to use rubber band to pack my hair up because it was already annoying me. It wasn't allowing me to see what I was doing. So I'm just going to wrap the thread and make it very tight. You can make it as tight as you want. I'm going to go in my Afrobynature coil maker. This basically helps to make your coil patterns very visible and loud. So I'm just going to rub it all over my hair and use my hard brush to smoothen and make sure that my hair stays flat. So I'm just going to keep on brushing till every part of my hair is flat. And I'm going to go in my blueberry hydrating mist. This is just a spray that has aloe vera, just to feed my hair with nutrient, basically, because of the whole tightness, just basically to make my hair not dry. That's the whole essence of it. Because for you to do this style, your hair cannot be dry. It won't stay if your hair is dry. I'm going to go in my edge growth so that my edges don't fall off while I'm doing this style, because I have a very light and very fragile edges, so I make sure that I put so much focus on there. I'm going to massage this really very well into my scalp and make sure that as I'm massaging, I am pressing it with my hand. And I'm going to go back in with my brush again. This brush is very easy to find, can be found in any mall or salon. And I'm just going to use rubber band to tighten my hair, because I didn't tighten the thread as much so that I can breathe and my hair can breathe. Then I'm just going to plait the tip of my hair to give it that pineapple shape. I call this my pineapple hairstyle because it looks like pineapple by the time I'm done. And I'll just fold the twist I have made into the hair, and it looks like a pineapple. I'm going to use my hand to basically massage and press, shaping it to the kind of shape that I want it to be. And that's the hairstyle. Very quick, easy, trendy, versatile. I'm going to go in with my eco styling gel, just a little gel into the hair, just to make sure that all my hair slicks back. That's basically why I'm using a gel. Usually I just go like that and press it, but I want it to be really sleek. So I'm going to apply very little gel. I'm going to use my toothbrush for hair toothbrush, just to make sure that I get every strand of my hair to flatten and stay down till further notice. Ladies always find it very difficult to lay their edges and make their hair really flat and sleek. You need to find what works for you. For me, eco styling gel does the trick, but for some people, eco styling gel doesn't help them. So you need to know what works for your hair and use it. I like eco styling gel and it does the job. So I'm just going to try and lay my edges. Sometimes I find it very difficult to lay my edges because they don't used to answer me. They can be very stubborn when they want to be, but they fall off very easily without permission. Very disrespectful. Yes, so I'm just going to lay my edges to the best of my ability and hope that it doesn't embarrass me in the next 1 hour. And luckily for me, it didn't. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave it at the comment section. All the product details will be in the description box. This hair is very, 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 very easy to achieve. In less than 5 minutes, I was done with this hair. It's very easy, very smooth, not too much stress, and it can be used or worn for different occasions. That's why I actually like this hair. So yeah. Let's just lay the edges, make them stay by all means possible. Then I'm going to go in with my silk scarf, and I'm going to press and stop the blood flowing to my brain for some minutes, because you have to tie the scarf extremely tight so that it will press everything very well. Right now, I don't think my head can breathe, but we are timing it 15 minutes max, and I take it off. Check you out. Who is this beauty? Build. Omoto Sean. Omoto glow jum jum. Then I'm just going to remove the scarf because my 15 minutes is up. Yeah, you can even see from my face that I'm in so much pain. Wow. And then my edges stay. Yay. And guys, it did not embarrass me. Oh, they stayed like that till I came back home. Thank God. And I'm just going to show you a 360 degree of how my hair looks. Amazing, right? Very quick, very easy. This girl is just glowing. Hello, ma'am. Can I be your husband? Can I be your wife? Omoto glow jum jum. Check it out. If I don't help myself, who will? Nobody will help me. Allow me help myself. Thank you very much. It's not easy. When they were selecting, I was selecting hair. Come on now. Come on now. Give them. See that smile. Check it out. She's single, not searching, ready to mingle. Pang, pang. You need to know what fits your face, Jack. But this hair, I like it. Very easy, quick, not too much product. I can't even concentrate. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Somebody spray this woman some dollars. Y'all. Come on out, come on out. So that's all for today. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share the video. Bye.